Yeah. Yeah, they say Bill told Ronnie that whenever I want to race my car, just let Ronnie know, and they gonna let me on the side in the gate over here. Yes, sir. This is live, guys. We live right now. Okay, y'all. We in good standing points now. I got some ice on it, and I got it's already charging, so I got it on the charger. Look out, look out. You ready, man? You on my YouTube channel?
Recording, I'm gonna be done with it.
Okay. You know my channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, Look Out Racing. Yeah, we live now. Y'all want to put y'all shout out in?
54_Lulu on Instagram.
Okay. Ready. Appreciate it, man. What? Let me see. Okay, y'all. Look out, miss. You on my YouTube channel? You on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing?
Sorry, no English.
Okay, sígueme a mi canal, Look Out Racing in YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. And suscríbete a mi canal and dale me gusta.
Dale me gusta.
Sí, dale me a like. And notifications es todo. Make sure you do the es todo. And dile tu tío. Make sure you dile tu tío to suscríbete Look Out Racing in YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, you gonna, and your abuelito too. Okay, appreciate it, appreciate it.
Okay.
She gonna tell everybody, y'all. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 now. Yeah, 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 no. Got a Tesla over here. Hey, have you delayed through, Theo?
No, ya saben todos.
Why you ain't tell them yet?
Ya saben porque ya saben.
Okay, I got a sticker for you.
I got 40 stickers.
Okay. She ready, y'all. She done delayed her TO. Yeah, she is. I don't think I need this ice no more. Cause I got it charging now. Oh shit, Pedro here. Pedro, man. Hey, man. Pedro, I need help, man. My flag. I need you to get over there, my flag, man. I can't get the bitch set up. I was hoping for Pedro earlier, y'all. Yeah, man, see it, look, it's coming apart and shit. That ain't official. Man, you probably gotta take all of it out, man. Ain't no telling. If that part ain't right, ain't none of it probably right, man. The bag right there, everything, all the tools. Ralph Euchre's already said, yeah, ask Pedro to get the flag. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah, how it supposed to go? Where you gonna put it at? I don't know how to lock it or nothing, man. Big head Sean too. Yeah. No. Okay, they getting that fuel put up in there. That look like a LC hose right there. LC, you put that hose right there, man? Yeah. I knew it. Push lock king. Look gonna just push it on there and make sure it locks real good? Ooh.
I see you look out.
Yeah, you see me? Yeah. You think it's gonna be good right there for right now? Okay.
Nobody gonna fuck with that bitch at the fucking starting line.
Okay, my boy said we need it at the starting line. Okay, we're gonna drop it right there for right now. Let it hang. Let everybody see it. Yeah, because it's gonna be better up there somewhere. That way I need about a taco truck. I need about a taco truck.
Need like 2 more look at when you want at the booth.
Yeah, but the people that's over there can't get over here.
We need one at the ticket booth right when you're entering.
Yeah.
Over there, one at the starting line. We need 3.
Okay. Nothing much chilling. My people that's message say put it one in front of murder. Yeah, they want me to put one in front of him. Y'all messy. Ooh. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's holding the charge, y'all. Oh yeah, it didn't calm down. We good, y'all. We good now, y'all. We good now, y'all. I got a feeling we good. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, cause Shane don't know what the hell he doing.
The other nigga, he hadn't smoked in a year, shit. Damn, my shit started running like a motherfucker.
God damn. Look how they say. Excuse me. Uh-oh, here go. I sound like it sounded like a Mustang, but nah, Camaro. I'm glad we back charging, y'all. I'm happy to. I like solving a problem. Woo! I love that. And we solved that all together. I'm finished with it. I appreciate it, Omar.